Remember, last time we were talking about money.
Yeah.
So, what do you think? What is better, investing it or saving it?
Well, in my opinion, I think it's better to invest it because if you invest it, it grows over time. But if you just save it, it just stays there. It doesn't add any amount. So I think it's better to invest it.
But the way I see it, investing has a lot of risk. If you have a specific amount of money and if you invest it all, what happens if you don't succeed?
That's true. But if you ask me, that's a risk worth taking because you can't have reward without the risk.
Yeah, but according to many economists, people should save some amount of money for whatever reason, for risky situations, for the rainy season, as they say.
Yeah, I see your point, but that's useful for the short term, like buying stuff or going to a trip. For the long run, I think it's better if you just invest it, you have to take the risk to get the reward.
So probably we have to think about how to balance them, saving some amount for the risky situations, for the rainy season, and then investing some amount for future growth, probably.
Yeah, I can't argue with that. It's all about the balance. You save a little and you invest the rest.
ኣብ ዝተፈላለዩ ኣጋጣሚታት ምስ ሰባት ከንዕልል ከለና ኣብቲ ቻቲንግ ንብሎ ወይ እውን ፎርማል ኣብ ዝኾነ ኩነታት ኣብ ኣኼባ ርእይቶ ክንህብ ርእይቶ ናይ ሰባት ክንሰምዕ ወይ ክንሓትት ወይ እውን ምስ ዝተዋህበ ርእይቶ ምስምማዕና ብዝተፈላለየ ደረጃ ክንገልፅ ከምኡውን ዘይምስማዕና እውን ዘይምስማዕና ፖላይት ብዝኾነ ቅቡል ብዝኾነ ቋንቋ ክንገልፅ ክንክእል ዘድልየና ቋንቋ ኢና ክንረኸብ መዓልቲ stating an opinion መጀመርያ ከመይ ጌርና ሓሳብና ንገልፅ ከመይ ጌርና ርእይቶና ንህብ ሕጂ ሓደ ልሙድ ነገር ኣሎ I think ኢልካ ምሃብ ኩሉ ሰብ ዝፈልጦ እዩ ግን ካብቲ ስታንዳርድ ዝኾነ ኩሉ ሰብ ዝፈልጦ ኣብ ዝኾነ ደረጃ ሃልዩ ዝኾነ ሰብ ዝጥቀመሉ ወፃኢ ዝተፈላለየ ኣገላልፃታት ምሄርና ቋንቋና ዝሓሸ ኮይኑ ምስ ዝኾነ ሰብ ከራርአና ንኽእል ኹም ስለዚ stating an opinion ናትና ርእይቶ ናትና ክንህብ ከለና ክንጥቀመሎም ንኽእል ሓረጋት ንርአየ In my opinion, እዚያውን ከምታ I think ትብል ተማሳሊት ኣዝያ ልምትያ In my opinion, ብናተይ ኣረኣእያ ንምባል ወይ እውን the way I see it ንዓይ ከም ዝረኣየኒ ግን ወይ ኣነ ከም ዝሪኦ ግን እዝን ኢልና ርእይቶ ክንህብ ምእንቲ ክንክእል the way I see it ብናተይ ኣረኣእያ ከም ማለት እዩ ካልእ if you want my honest opinion ብቕንዕና ክነገርካ ተኮይነ እንዳበልና ብትግርኛ ንጥቀመሉ ዓይነት ቋንቋ እዩ ስለዚ እዚ ንምሃሮ ዘለና ሓረጋት ኣከንዲ ብዝተምሃርናዮ ቋንቋ ዝመስል ቋንቋና ብዘምስሎ መገዲ በቲ ናቹራል ዝኾነ መገዲ ክንዛረብ እዩ ዝሕግዘና ስለዚ ምስቲ ናይ ትግርኛ ተመሳሳሊ ኣገላልፃ እንዳተሓስኩ ገልፆ ፍትነ honest opinion honest ክንዕና እዩ እዚ ብቕንዕና ክነገርካ ተኮይነ ኢልና ንገልፆሎ ብትግርኛ ነዚ ዝመሳሰል እዩ ማለት እዩ If you want my honest opinion, ናይ ብሓቂ ናተይ ርእይቶ እንተደሊኻ ወይ ብቕንዕና ክነግረካ ተኮይነ ኣነ እዝን መስለኒ ክንብል ከለና ንጥቀመሉ መእተዊ ካልእ according to ኢልና ኣብዚ ሰብ ኢና ንጠቅስ according to ቢኒ ኢልና ከም ናይ ቢኒ ኣረኣእያ according to ዮኒ ኢልና ከም ናይ ዮኒ ኣረኣእያ እንዳበልና ናይ ካልእ ሰብ ኣረኣእያ ጠቂስና ክነብር ከለና according to ቢኒ children should not be punished ከም ርእይቶ ናይ ቢንያም ተኮይኑ ቆልዑ ክቐፅዑ የብሎም ይብላሎ ማለት እዩ ካልእ as far as I'm concerned ኣነ እንተዳ ኮይነ ወይ ብናተይ ኣረኣእያ እንተዳ ኮይኑ ንምባል if you ask me ዝኸፍሊ ዝበለ ኣገላልፃ if you ask me ንዓይ ተሓይትኩምኒ ግን ኣነ ከምዚ ንበሉ ኢልና ንገልፆ ናይ ትግርኛ ኣገላልፃ ክንጥቀም ከለና if you ask me I would say this If you ask me, I would agree with Bini. If you ask me, I wouldn't agree with Johnny, whatever. እንዳበልና ሰብ ክሓተና ከሎ ናትና ርእይቶ ከመይ ምዃኑ ክንገልፅ ከለና ንጥቀመሉ ኦኬ ርእይቶና ኣብ ዝተፈላለዩ ዲስካሽንስ ኣብ ዝተፈላለዩ ኣኼባታት ንዕላልን ከመይ ኢልና ንህብ ክግለፀ ኢና ኦኬ ርእይቶና ምሃብ ጥራሕ ዘይኮነ ከመይ ኢልና ርእይቶ ናይ ካልእ ሰብ ንሓትት ንሓደ ካልእ ሰብ ርእይቱ ክበና ክንሓቱ ከለና እንታይ ቋንቋ ንጥቀም እዚ ከዓ ካልኣይ መደብናይ ማለት እዩ ስለዚ let's see these points ኣብዚ ኣለዋና 5-6 ነጥብታት ነዚአን ክርኢና ሓደ ብሓደ what's your idea ገሊኡ ኣዝዩ ንፁር እዩ ኩሉ ሻዕ ንጥቀመሉ እዩ ሓሳብካ እንታይ እዩ ወይ ኣረኣእያኻ እንታይ እዩ what are your thoughts ዝውን ተማሳሊ what are your thoughts about this what are your thoughts about this point ብምባል ብዛዕባ እዚ ኣርእስቲ እንታይ ትሓስብ ወይ እንታይ ትብል ማለት እዩ how do you feel about that ሓደ ኣርእስቲ ኣብ ክትዕ ከይፀኒሑ what do you feel about that ተልና ወይ how do you feel about that ተልና ብዛዕባ እዚ እንታይ ስማዓካ which means ብተዛዋሪ ትስማዓካ ግለጽ ንምባል እዩ ቀፂልና do you have anything to say መብዛሕትኡ ግዜ ኣብ ኣኼባ ሓደ ስቕ ዝበለ ሰብ እዩ do you have anything to say ሳሃሪቶ ኣለካ ዶ እንታይ ኣሎ ትብሎ ነገር ኢልና ንሓደ ሰብ ንኽዛረብ ሓሳብ ንኽብ ከነበራብረሃልና ንጥቀመሉ what do you think ያ እዚኣ ኮመን እያ what do you think እንታይ መስለካ ሬቶኻ እንታይ እዩ ንምባል would you say ኢልና እውን ኣብዚ ብቀፃሊ would you say ኢልና ከምዚ ዶ ምበልካ would you say this is a good idea እዚ ጽቡቕ ሓሳብ እዩ ዶ ምበልካ ወይ እውን በንጻሩ ነዚኣ ኔጌቲቭ ቀየርና wouldn't you agree with this wouldn't you say this is good እዚ ጽቡቕ ኣይምበልካን ብምባል ብኔጌቲቭ and positive ክንሓትት ንኽእል ማለት እዩ ኣብ ዕላል ኣብ ክትዕ ወይ እውን ፎርማል ኣብ ዝኾነ ኣኼባታት ርእይቶ መሃብን ርእይቶ ምሕታት እንተልዩ ምዝ ዝኸይድ ምስምማዕ እንደ ምስማዕና ኣሎ ሓደ ሰብ ንዝሃቦ ርእይቶ ክንሰማዕ ወይ ከይንሰማዕ ኮይና ብኸመይ ቋንቋ ንገልጽ ከመይ ጌርና ብቅቡል ዝኾነ ቋንቋ ወይ እውን እቲ ርእይቶ ዝሃበ ሰብ ከም ዘይስምዖ ጌርና ምስ ንቃወም ስለዚ ነዚታት ርኢና መጀመርያ ግን ከመይ ጌርና ንሰማማዕ expressing agreement ሓደ ኻእ ሰብ ዝሃቦ ሓሳብ ምስምማዕ yes I totally agree ወይ እውን I absolutely agree total ድምር ማለት እዩ ሙሉእ ማለት እዩ absolute when complete ፍጹም ማለት ስለዚ ሙሉእ ሰማዕ ፍጹም ሰማዕ ብዘይ ዝኾነ ነጥቢ ንምባል I couldn't agree more ካብዘን ላዕሊ ክሰማዕ ይክእልኒ ሓደ ሰብ ሓደ ሓሳብ ምስ ሃበ ምስቲ ዝሃቦ ሓሳብ ኣፀቢቕና ክንሰማዕ ካብኡን ላዕሊ ትሰማዓሉ ሓሳብ ከምዘየለ ስለዚ እዚ እውን ካልእ ምስምማዕና ንገልፀሉ ወይ ልዑል ምስምማዕና ንገልፀሉ ቋንቋ እዩ yes you're right that's a good point you are right ጽቡቕ ኣለሃ that's a good point ጽቡቕቲ ሓሳብ ወይ ጽቡቕቲ ነጥቢያ ነታ ሰማዕናያ ነጥቢ ከነደንቕን ክንቅበልን ከለና sure he is ወይ ከዓ indeed he is okay እዚ ከዓ ብዛዕባ ሓደ ሰብ ሓደ ርእይቶ ዝተዋህበ ንኣብነት John is very busy ተይሉ ሓደ ሰብ indeed he is ብሓቂ እዩ እና ምስኡ ብስማዕና ንገልጽ ወይ ከዓ sure he is ወይ እውን Danny is very clever sure he is ናይ ብሓቂ እዩ ወይ ከም ትብሎ ዘለኻ እዩ ማለት እዩ ስለዚ ሙሉእ ንሰማዕ ናይ ኣብ ርእሲ ሓደ ሰብ ዝተዋህበ ርእይቶ ብዝምልከት ማለት እዩ ምስማዕና ግን ኩሉ ግዜ ሚእቲ ከይከውን ይኽእል እዩ ኣብ ገለገለ ኣጋጣሚ ነቲ ዝተባህለ ብገለ መዳይ ንሰማዓሉ ብገለ መዳይ ከዓ ቁርብ ደሰክፈና ነገር ህሉ ስለዚ ከመይ ጌርና ንገልጾ ነዚ ከዓ ሰለስተ ኣብነት ኣለና ኣብዚ that's partially true partially ማለት ብኸፊል ማለት እዩ ስለዚ that's partially true ተና ብኸፊል ጽቡቕ ኣለኻ ሕጂ ገለ ክፋል ናይቲ ዝበሎ ጥቕሙ ወይ ጽቡቕነቱ ራእይካ ኣሎ ግን ገለኻ ዘሰክፈካ ነገር ኣሎ ማለት እዩ ስለዚ ነቲ ዘሰክፈካ ክፋል ባት ኢልካ ክትጠቕሶ ይከኣል ስለዚ that's partially true ብኸፊል ጽቡቕ ኣለኻ ግን እዝን ይሰክፍ ወይ ኣብ ከምዚ ኩነታት ከ ከምዚ ተጋጠመ ኺልና ነቲ ኣሰካፊ ክፋሉ ከዓ ድሕሪ ባት ንገልጾ ማለት እዩ I see your point ክትብሎ ዘለኻ ተረዲእኒ ኣሎ ነጥብኻ ተረዲእኒ ኣሎ ከም ማለት እዚ ግን ሙሉእ ምሰማዕ ኣይኮን I see your point ትብሎ ዘለኻ ተረዲእኒ ኣሎ ግን ብከም መዳይ ከሪእኻ ኢኻ ኣብ ከምዚ ኩነታት ከመይ ጌርኩም ኢልና ገለ ደሰክፍ ነገር ከም ዘለዎ ጽቡቕ ነጥቢ ሓደ ሰብ ዘቕረቦ ጽቡቕ ምዃኑ ገሊፅና ግን እሱ ደይተረኣዩ ነጥብታት ክህልዎም ድኽእልካ ባት ብምባል ክንገልጾ ስለዚ I see your point but ኢልና እቲ ኣሰካፊ ክፋል ንገልጽ ማለት እዩ ካልእ ተመሳሳሊ I agree to some extent ዲግሪ ደረጃ እዩ ትገልጽ ስለዚ I agree with you to some extent ተወሰነ ደረጃ እዚ ትብሎ ዘለኻ ይሰርሕ እዩ ኣብ ከምዚ ኩነታት ግን ኢልና ካልእ ሕቶ ክህልወና ከሎ ስለዚ ከምቲ ኣብ ላዕሊ ዝበልና I totally agree I absolutely agree ሙሉእ ሚእቲ ካብ ሚእቲ ሰማዕ ዘይኮነ ገለ ጽቡቕ ነገር ሃልዮት ዝበሃል ዘሎ ወይ ዝተዋህበ ርእይቶ ግን ከዓ ክሕሰበሉ ዘለዎን ካልእ ክፋል ከም ዘለዎ ክንገልጽ ክንደሊ ከለና ንጥቀመሎም እዮም እዞም ኣብ ታሕቲ ብሰማያዊ ተሲምሎ ስለዚ I agree to some extent قال درجة إذا سرحي أكل مخاطب كي سرح خالي زبل الرأي نقرب. Okay, and now disagreeing with other people's opinion. شناي سبات الرأي ويمزهبوا opinion زي مسمعها مغلاص. Expressing disagreement زي مسمعها مغلاص. Straightforward هنا way direct هنا expression. I don't agree. Bluntly, straight هنا زي مسمعها مغلاص زي ويكا I don't think so. أي مثلاً okay. كذا إنسان معنا مالتي. كله أصبغنا ده إنسان معنا. نتستوها بريتو ملو نقفه ويكن نسقوه عند الله I totally disagree. I completely disagree. زي أب agreement طيب نقولنا I totally agree هنا ملو سامعي. I totally disagree ها ملو أي سامعني. كله كان رينا I absolutely disagree. Absolute complete فتسوم مالتي. فدي بفتسوم أي سامعني وي بفتسوم سامعين بال أبكلتيو مش agree and مش disagree تكملوا. زي أقول تفليز بلت بزح جي سبريتي كمان لا I beg to differ. كابتت هو ده الهريتو كفل لا مرز ويبنصارو حسب إذا أي سامعين مالتيو قلتي I'm afraid I disagree. زي خال أزي أكتعيت ولا بكلاس منها كلها بزح سوات تدناجر أقلال ساعة I'm afraid I disagree. Basically I disagree مالتيو أي سامعين كلها جن لكن بقى أي سامعني راح مبال قرب polite بزخنا مجدي I'm afraid I disagree. أيتحازر لي دامبر أبتغني حجي بقى قال بعضهم ترجمين غيرنا جرامات تغني إكسبرس تانية أيتحازر لي دامبر مزياس أي سامعني نبلع عينه تقلال سامالتيو not necessarily حدث زي كم زيو مسبله not necessarily قدنا يكون هون أبقى لقى هون قل زي كونوا لقات أمتحن الله نمباس لذي kind of زي مسمع هون نقرب فوق الزبالة قال that's not always true زيهم ذا not necessarily بالنا تماسيتها that's not always true ترى كل جزء أيكونن كم زهون كل جزء يكونن زي تخكل هون تيلو أبقى لقى يخوني لي أمن علامات لذي a bit partial تمالا that's not always true إذا كل شيء يكونن كم أبقى لقى كي كون غالي نمبال. I'm not so sure about that. حدث بزمش لوريتم صحابي. I'm not so sure about that يلنا. أنا ساي مثلاً سخات بلا الله خمبر كم عينت. زون زي مسمى معنا بنسبة لقلقل. رجز أنها زي مهنا ليكونه. أي سامعني مبال. سألينا بتزاوري دايما مسمى معنا نبلاس أنت كمالو أقلال سايس. لذي I'm not so sure about. جاء قات بلا الله خمبر أنا أي مثلاً أي سامعني نمبال. نتكمل هذه بس الجواب زي دايما معنا نجلس. So, what do you think? Online class or this physical class? Which one do you think is better?
Well, if you ask me, I think physical classes are better because the face-to-face interaction, it enhances the students' communication skills, unlike online learning. So I think physical classes are better.
Well, I agree with you partially, but the interaction is still there. Thanks to technology in modern online teaching on Zoom, there's always interaction, though the physical is better.
Yeah, I can't argue with that, but in physical classes, it's easier to build relationships, friendships. So that creates a better environment for learning.
You got a point there. I think I agree with you. But one thing is online classes are more convenient because you save a lot in terms of the transport and the time and the money. So that's another advantage of online classes.
Okay, that's a good point. But in physical or traditional learning, you get access to physical resources like laboratories and libraries, things that need practical learning rather than only speaking. So that's.
I think I would say the exact opposite. Online in your laptop, every resource is there. I mean, you can easily access to pictures and other things. at the spot, whenever you are discussing one point, whatever issue you raise, you can find it there online. So there's more resource, I would say.
That's true to some extent, but there are classes that require practical, like nursing and stuff. They require practice. You have to go to hospitals. You have to be physically present in order to practice it.
Right.
So that's one advantage of traditional way of learning, or the physical classes, I think.
Well, right you are in this case, actually, because areas that need laboratory and things, the physical would be much better. I agree with you 100% in this case. So it's usually the matter of balance, where we use the online class, where we use the physical class, probably.
Yeah,
But-
that's a good perspective. So a little balance is always the best answer.
Yeah, but as far as language is concerned, online classes are very, very effective.
They are
Cost effective in all
I
aspects.
can't argue with that. That's a fact.
Yeah.
But a little balance of both never hurts. I guess balance is the best answer always.
Yeah, great. That's right. Thank you for watching. This is Habtab Academy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.